In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell covered calls on ThinkorSwim. So the first thing you want to do, you want to open up the ThinkorSwim desktop app, and then you want to go up here to where it says trade. And then here you can of course go wherever you want. I'm going to go to all products, and you want to search for the symbol you're looking for. So for this instance, we're going to go ahead and go inside the Apple just for this tutorial. And then here you want to open up the option chain over here and make sure you are on the correct account, by the way. So open up the option chain. And then here, currently just showing me 4 strikes. So if you want to show all of them, click on all over here. And now here on the left, as you can see, these are going to be your calls, and then these are going to be your puts. Okay, so it says calls and then puts over here. You can see it at the very top, so we can't get confused. And then if you would like to actually sell one of these calls, you have to first, of course, select the one you'd like to sell. This is completely up to you. I just want to show you as an example how to do this. And you want to click on that specific call. So over here under bid, it says sell when you hover over it, so don't go to buy, but if you want to actually sell it, then click on the one you would like to sell under bid over here. So for example, let's say this one. It's going to pop up the order entry tools up here, and then over here you can see everything regarding this very sell order. And then after you're of course done, after you've set everything accordingly to your preferences, you can go ahead, click on confirm and send, and that is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.